How to fix Snapchat filters not working. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open settings of your phone, and after this go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now here for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, and then you have to scroll down and click on storage option. Here on storage option, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, then you have to back, click now for stop and click also OK. And the last things you need to do, you have to go to your Play Store and update your Snapchat if it's not updated. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.